Hello my loves. So right now I was just getting ready and I realized that I feel like doing something a little bit crazy today. So if you guys want to see what craziness I end up with, keep on watching. So first I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I don't even know if this is a primer, but I'm gonna use it as one. Let me see. Eyeshadow primer and color corrector. Although I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it's a little harsh, like it kind of hurts, so I won't be using this again. And the palette, since I am wearing yellow, looking a little sunny, I'm gonna be using this cutesy little palette from Voss, and it has this pretty bunch of colors. So obviously starting with the yellow, I'm gonna grab a little brush that's angled like this so I could have a tight little eyeshadow. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna start right here with the yellow. I see that it's not really highly pigmented, so I'm gonna have to do something else. I will go ahead and grab my Tarte Shape Tape and put that all over my eye. Grab this cute little brush. Now I will go back with this and grab that yellow tone a little bit better. Now we're gonna go ahead with the pink that's right here and start that like around here. So now we're gonna grab the red tone. Looks a little orangey on the screen, but it's red. Okay, a little bit like that. And then we're gonna grab that magenta, whatever color you think, and then we're gonna grab that with the pointy side of the brush. Try it out like that. We are going to grab this one, which is Sorbet, and we're gonna grab the color turquoise. And we're gonna actually do that with our finger and put it right in the middle. Blend it to the front a little bit once we know it's highly pigmented in the middle. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna grab our blending brush and we go, still undecided, I think we're gonna go to this Malbec color. Blend it with that turquoise. So now we grab the eyeliner and we're creating a really thick eyeliner. Okay. Then we're gonna do the other eye. Okay, so we're back from doing our mascara, and then I realized I didn't really like how the turquoise looks too much. So I'm gonna grab some of the white on this NYX pencil and blend it out, making it look more 70s, I don't know, 60s. Something like that. Blend it. Making it look more aqua. So this is the complete look, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little crazy out of the blue. I even went to get some Starbucks and I just got back. But one thing I did end up changing after the video is because I ended up really not liking that blue that I had put in here. So I grabbed this little palette and I used the Reality Star, which is this like cute little pink, and I applied it with my fingers right where that blue was, still leaving a little bit of the blue right like next to the line, so next to the eyeliner. So that is all for this look. I will perfect it. I know today was a little bit messy, but I think it looks good overall. I hope you guys can do this look as well, and I will see you on the next video.